Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable jumping between focusable items in navigational options for TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to disable it. So first of all, how to find the option. First, settings. Next, we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Then we need to tap the vision tab at the top, next TalkBack, and here in the top right corner we have this cog menu which we need to open. Then we need to scroll to customize menus. Next, customize TalkBack menus. Then we need to scroll down again to the navigation and we need to enable it to edit it. Now we're looking for our function, so we need to scroll to the web navigation section, and here we have focusable items. So by checking or unchecking this box right here, we can enable or disable the function. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.